Good day everyone, my name is Melvin Maratas from UMSRI and today we will be talking about the religion in Czech Republic. Before we talk about it, let's discuss first the country itself. Czech Republic, also called Czechia, country located in Central Europe. It comprises the historical provinces of Bohemia and Moravia, along with the southern tip of Silesia, collectively often called the Czech's land. In 2016, the country adopted name Czechia as a shortened informal name for the Czech Republic. The Czech Republic lies mostly between latitude 48 degrees and 51 degrees north and longitude 12 degrees and 19 degrees east. The Czech Republic mostly has a temperate oceanic climate with warm summer and cold, cloudy and snowy winters. The temperature difference between summer and winter is due to the landlocked geographical position. The Czech Republic has a developed, high-income, export-oriented social market economy based in services, manufacturing and innovation that maintains a welfare state and the European social model. As of September 26, 2020, Czech Republic current population is 10.69 million. Now, let's talk about religion. So while Europe remains overwhelmingly religious, it may come as a surprise to find that the Czech Republic is one of the most atheistic countries in the world. In 2015 poll, nearly 3/4 of respondents declared themselves religiously unaffiliated, the highest percentage in all of Europe. The Czech Republic has 75% to 79% of people not declaring any religion or faith in polls, and the percentage of convinced atheists being third highest, which is 30% behind China, which is 37%, and Japan, which is 31%. The Czech people have been historically characterized as tolerant and even indifferent towards religion. What are the reasons behind this? One of the biggest reasons is that throughout the 20th century, while Catholicism was dominating the rest of the continent, religion was seen as outdated relic of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Then in the mid-20th century, the country became part of the Soviet bloc which under communism deliberately avoided a religious Islam. By 1993, when Czechoslovakia dissolved into the Czech Republic and Slovakia, there was no historical religion to cling to, and today, an overwhelming majority of the Czechs claim their religion as nothing in particular. Christianization in the 9th and 10th centuries introduced Catholicism. After the Bohemian Reformation, most Czechs became followers of Jan Hus, Peter Chilkiki, and other regional Protestant reformers. Taborites and Utrakists were Hussite groups. During the Hussite Wars, Utrakists sided with the Catholic Church following the joint Utrakist-Catholic victory. Utraquism was accepted as a distinct form of Christianity to be practiced in Bohemia by the Catholic Church, while remaining Hussite groups were prohibited. After the Reformation, some Bohemians went with the teachings of Martin Luther, especially Sudeten Germans. In the wake of the Reformation, Utrakist Hussite took a renewed, increasingly anti-Catholic stance, while some of the defeated Hussite faction were revived. After the Habsburgs regained control of Bohemia, the whole population was possibly converted to Catholicism, even the Utrakist Hussite. Going forward, Czechs have become more wary and pessimistic of religion as such. A history of resistance to the Catholic Church follow. It suffered a schism with the Neo-Hussites, Czechoslovaks Hussite Church in 1920, lost the bulk of its adherents during the communist era and continues to lose in the modern, ongoing secularization. Protestantism never recovered after the Counter-Reformation was introduced by the Austrian Habsburgs in 1620. According to the 2011 census, 34% of the population stated they had no religion. 10.3% was Catholic, 0.8% was Protestant, which is 0.5% Czech Brethren, and 0.4% Hasai, and 9% follow other forms of religion, both denominational or not, of which 863 people answered they are pagan. 45% of the population did not answer the question about religion. From 1991 to 2001 and further to 2002, the adherence to Catholicism decreased from 39% to 27% and then to 10%. Protestantism similarly declined from 3.7% to 2% and then to 0.8%. The Muslim population is estimated to be 20,000, representing 0.2% of the population. Again, my name is Melvin Maratas. Thank you for watching.